So, hello students, good morning. So today I am going to discuss about metallurgy. So what is metallurgy, what are ores, what are minerals, what are gangue or matrix, what are metallurgical operation, how we can separate a metal from its ores. So minerals, substances which are found on the earth crust. So minerals are actually substances which are present in the earth crust, present in the earth crust, which can be obtained by mining. So those substances which are present in the earth crust is called minerals. Okay, next is ores. Ores are those minerals from which metal can be extracted profitably and economically. Minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably and economically. Let's try to understand the difference between minerals and ores. Suppose if we take talc, it is a mineral of aluminium. We cannot obtain aluminium metal from talc, so it is not an important ore of aluminium. Now let's consider bauxite. Bauxite is the principal ore of aluminium. So bauxite is the principal ore of aluminium from which aluminium metal can be extracted. So all minerals are ores, but ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. That you have to keep in mind. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Like in this example, talc is a mineral, but it is not an ore. Similarly, bauxite is an important ore of minerals. So all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. This you have to keep in mind. So substances which are present in the earth crust are called minerals, and minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably and economically, those are called ores. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Now coming to some impurities are always present in an ore. So the impurities present in an ore is called gangue or matrix. It is also called matrix. So the earthly impurities associated with ores are called gangue. The earthly impurities associated with ores. So before actually doing the metallurgy of an ore to get the metal, we have to remove the gangue. The process by which we do or which we use to remove the gangue is called concentration. It is called concentration, benefaction or dressing. The process of removing the impurity from an ore is called concentration. Next is metallurgical operation. The entire scientific and technological process which is used to purify or which is used to separate a metal from its ore is called metallurgical operation. So entire scientific and technological process, used to isolate a metal from its ore is called metallurgical operation. So minerals are those substances which are obtained from the earth crust. Ores are those minerals from which metals can be obtained profitably and economically. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ore. Talc and bauxite both are the minerals of aluminium, but bauxite is the principal ore from which aluminium metal can be extracted. And let's see for other metal like for zinc if you consider, so suppose if we are considering for zinc, so if we see zinc, then zinc oxide, zinc sulfide, zinc carbonate, zinc sulfate, these are the different ores, but the important ores are these two. So zinc metal generally it is obtained from zinc blende. Zinc blende is also called zinc sulfide. So what we have to do for zinc sulfide is first roasted to convert it into zinc oxide. Now this zinc oxide can be reduced in presence of carbon, coke or carbon monoxide to give zinc plus CO or CO2. This zinc being impure can be purified by electrolytic refining. Or distillation. So we can do distillation also to purify the zinc metal to obtain pure zinc metal. So the entire scientific and technological process by which we obtain a metal from its ore. So this is zinc blende. This is called zinc blende. So zinc blende is roasted. So before actually roasting the zinc sulfide to zinc oxide, here sulfur dioxide is also produced, which is used in the sulfuric acid industry. So before we actually roast zinc sulfide, what we need to do, this is purified by a process called froth flotation method, froth flotation method is a method of concentration by which we purify a sulfide ore. So first it is purified by froth flotation method, then sulfide ores are difficult to reduce. So we perform roasting. So it is roasting, it undergo roasting to form zinc oxide. Zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is used to manufacture sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Now this zinc oxide needs to be reduced to form metal zinc, which is impure actually. This metal is impure, and this needs to be purified to get pure zinc. So the entire process is called metallurgical operation or metallurgy. So this was the metallurgy of zinc. Let's see few important ores of aluminium. As we know, aluminium is the most abundant metal in the earth crust. It is the third most abundant element. In the earth. So it is the most abundant metal in the earth crust, and it is the third most abundant element. Now, some of the important ores of aluminium are bauxite, corundum, diaspore, cryolite, feldspar. So the main ore from which aluminium is extracted, is bauxite. It is the principal ore of aluminium. So its formula is, actually the composition of bauxite is complex, but for our specific we write alumina dihydrate, Al2O3 2H2O. So corundum is alumina, Al2O3. Diaspore is Al2O3 H2O. That means aluminium oxide monohydrate. Cryolite is Na3Al(F6) and feldspar is KAlSi3O8. So during the electrometallurgy of aluminium from alumina, to obtain aluminium from alumina, we do add cryolite and CaF2. And cryolite. What is the role of this cryolite and alumina? Cryolite and calcium fluoride in the electrometallurgy of alumina to obtain aluminium is they reduce the melting point and increase the conductivity. So this is added during the electrometallurgy to obtain aluminium metal from alumina. So when we obtain alumina, the process called Hall-Héroult process. So these are the important ores of aluminium. The most important ore being bauxite. So thank you, student. The topic will be covered in my next video. Thank you.